Okay, so good day, UMS 11, STEM 11, and ABM 11. Welcome to our lesson in Empowerment Technology, Quarter 2, Week 1, and we will discussing all about online platform for ICT content development. So the most essential learning competency is to explore the principle of interactivity and rich content in the content if Web 2.0 and the participation of the user in the online experience. And these are the lessons objectives. The first one is differentiate the platforms available for developing web content. The second one is determine the purpose of these platforms and know the basics of using them and enhance one's knowledge in the world of cloud computing. So, now, what is an online platform? So, an online platform are technologies that are grouped to be used as a base upon which other application processes or technologies are developed. It is also a base of technology designed to run within an online environment and provides interactive online service. So, online platform is developed platform using the internet technology. So, all the platform has an access to any worldwide. So, in our daily life, today, we use internet in doing such things and our learning process. These are the available platform or application that we can use every day in our daily life. So, what are the examples of online platform? First, we have the presentation or visualization. Next is cloud computing, social media, web page creation, and file management. And last one is mapping. So, what do you mean by presentation or visualization? When we say presentation or visualization, it allows you to present and share presentation, infographics, and videos with other people online. So it communicates information clearly and efficiently via statistically graphics, plots, and information graphics. So this is a website application that we can use to create our presentation or infographics and videos, and we were able to share it to other people via internet. So what are the example of this visualization or presentation? So we have the Prezi. Prezi helping to reinvert the art of presentation. So, an online project management app that helps you to plan your work and keep track of your progress. So, we use we use the most famous or very common to us, which is a slide share. So, we can build, when we say slide share, we can build quickly or concise, well-presented content from expert. So we can create our own presentation and share it to that website. So next is we have the MildMinster. MildMinster, an online mind mapping tool that lets you capture, develop, and share ideas visually. So, kumbaga, para lang din siyang Microsoft PowerPoint but online. Then next, we have the cloud computing. So, cloud computing, it is a practice of using a network of remote servers hosted in the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. So, it's simply called as the cloud. We can access the file or our information or the documents anytime, anywhere. And instead of using your computers instead of using your computer's hard drive, you store and access your data and programs over the internet. Kumbaga, with the local to store our documents or we access our data through our computer hard, but this we can store, managing and process data via internet or by online. So we have Google Drive, we we have the Dropbox, and what drive are some examples of cloud. Then next we have social media. So this is very common and familiar to us, right? So social media or computer meditative tools that allow people, companies, in other organizations to create, share, or exchange information, career interests, ideas in picture or videos in real world. Communities and networks, so we use the social to communicate with other people around the world. So what are the examples of the social media? We have Twitter, an online social networking service that enables user to send or read short 140 character messages called tweets. Then next, we have the Facebook. So itong Facebook ang napaka-familiar sa atin. When we say Facebook is a for-profit corporation and online social networking service, and we have also the downloaded or microblogging platform for the social media website. So there is a lot of social media that we can use, or social media that we can use to share some interest or information or to communicate with other people. Then or next is we have the web page creation. So when we say web page creation, it encompasses a number of important elements including colors, layout, and overall graphical appearance. So this is an application or website that we can use to create our own web page. So one of these example are Wix, and we call this web developing platform that allows users to create HTML5 website and mobile sites through the use of their online drag and drop tools, so we don't need to encode the tags or the codes in order for us to create our website. So all you need to do is to drag and drop the pictures or the videos needed to your website, okay? So then we have the Weebly. So when we say Weebly, a web hosting service featuring a drag and drop website builder. Kumbaga, mas matindi ang paggawa ng isang web page kaysa website. So let's say, kumbaga, you just want to lay out or paano gagawin or kung ano ang appearance ng web page nyo, tapos kung ano ang ilalagay mong pictures and text. So madali na lang. Makinig lang ng mabuti. Then next, we have file management. So, file management, it is storing, naming, sorting, and handling computers files. It allows you to convert and manage files without downloading the software tool. So, these are the available website or other things shown online that we can use to convert and manage our files without even downloading the software. We'll download our documents or our files, like for examples, PDF Word or Word PDF, or we have also video to audio conversion. Pwede natin siyang gawin through online, like for example sa mga YouTube, mahilig tayo mag-download or i-convert natin siya into audio. So we have we have a lots of website available to convert that file. So we have Samsar, where to PDF convert Word files to PDF or portable document format with this online tool. These are some examples of file management. So we have mapping, a transformation, taking the points of one space into the points of the same or another space. So it uses GPS to detect location and use for navigation. So we use this mapping to locate the address or a specific address or location. So kumbaga, for example, yung mga Grab driver, They are using this GPS to locate an address for their clients. So example now is Google Maps. When we say Google Maps, a desktop web mapping service developed by Google. So, hindi lang naman Google Maps, mayroon din naman ibang application na pwede natin gamitin to get the direction or location. So, the next one is Content Management System or what we call CMS. So, what is it? Content Management System is a computer application, sometimes online or browser based. So, nag pag sinabi nating online or browser-based, it only works with internet connection. So, that allows you to publish, edit, or manipulate, organize, and delete web content. So, CMS or Content Management System is used in blogs, news website, and shopping. So, it is a discussion or this is just an example of a CMS or a discussion information website published on the web consisting of discrete, often informal diary style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronologically order so that the most recent post appears first at the top of the web page. So we have the WordPress or wordpress.com, blogger.com or blogspot.com or blog.com, medium.com, squarespace.com are just examples of the blog insights that we can use if you want to create your own blogs. So that's the topic in our lesson for empowerment technologies, which is all about online platform for ICT development. So that's end our discussion for today. Hope you have learned something and God bless.